Good morning. Today is Wednesday, November 26th, 2025. I'm here at slip A13. This is the Karissa Leigh. I did take out the bow thruster prop. I took out the pin that holds it in place. I put in the new pin, put in the new bow thruster, screwed it both in with both of the screws, making sure that it's secure in place. So we do have the new one. I do want to spin it to where you can hear the noise that I'm hearing and see if you guys have any other options as to the as to what's making this noise. I will keep the two other props that we have right back over there where you left them for me. We did use the new one. We did not have to use any of the extra parts, so we do have those spares for you. Thank you for choosing DS Dive.